Okay, this is the second time I'm having to start recording this because CodeSpace has crashed. But you see that I put make A7 and it compiled correctly, finally. Because it took like 2 hours to get that to work. But it works now, and everything is formatted exactly to its special specifications across all 8 files. Anyway, and then here's the running. Hopefully it doesn't crash again. Come on, GitHub, you can do it. Let's kill some other tabs. There we go. Resistant. So you'll see there's the 1, 2, 3, 99 and 1, 2, 3, so showing that those are separate arrays. There's the throwing. Benchmark is, oh yeah, here's results, by the way, with all the brand new results. It's all changed. The expected vector is faster than random access, even to the point where the timing is so small that it doesn't even register on the nano clock. So there's that. And yeah, so in benchmark, it is abstract because it is all virtual functions, and I guess technically a friend function, but I don't think that counts. But I guess, yeah, if you have at least one virtual function, then it's abstract. In this case, it's all virtual stuff, and because it's got virtual this, it's got a virtual destructor. And it kind of makes it like a, a little template for the other classes, so that now in like insert front benchmark, name and run could be overridden because they were virtual, and so it makes them there, but not there. It's like if we had like a blank file, we threw a sticker over it type thing. And if run were not a virtual function, then it would not be able to be overridden, and instead we'd be overloading the function, which I think has something to do with the binary, but it would overload the function rather than just overwriting it. And since all the there's nothing that changes but the arguments or anything, that would break. Hopefully that makes sense. I mostly understand the concept. I'm sure I'll figure it out as I go through my schooling. Anyway, and then in main, we have our we have a little try to access an index at index 25, and it catches the out of range error, which goes into the mini array. I think it's here that I have it. Where it says if the index is less than 0, then it throws the out of range, so it's throwing the out of range, which then is caught, which we're catching the out of range that was produced, and then that becomes the error.what, and that was printed in the mini array, where it says, here's our little print text that we gave for it, and that's what prints it. Hopefully that makes sense. Basically, interacting with the main is interacting with mini array, where we set up this little exception thrower that gets caught in main in the try block. And yeah, hopefully that all makes sense. This assignment just about killed me and all the tutors that I was working with. And so when the tutor is confused, you know it's bad. But yeah, it all works. Hallelujah. Have a lovely fall semester and like 1 week of summer. Unless you're going on sabbatical, in which case enjoy that. Yeah.